Hey guys, today in Art Club with Miss Burford we'll be creating these tea light glow up worlds. You will need coloured card, a pencil, scissors, a battery tea light, a foil tray, a ping pong ball, acrylic paint in the colours of the earth or a planet of your choice, a glue gun and a coloured felt tip pen. This is one of my favourite activities to do because it creates the least mess when it comes to paint. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to squeeze our colours of the earth, so our blue, our green, our white for the clouds, into our foil tray. So we're going to do some dots of the colours all around the foil tray so they're in different places in there. And then simply place your ping pong ball into the tray, and using your two hands you're going to tilt the tray in different directions so that you roll the ball around and it coats the ball in a random pattern. So some of the children struggled with this, depending on how thick your acrylic paint is. Our paint at school is a bit thicker than mine at home, so we actually tapped the side of our foil tray and that helped a lot more. I added a bit more white during this time because it looked like it needed a bit more of a marbled pattern with the white on my earth. When you have finished coating the whole of the earth, these then need to dry, so you need to transfer these onto a sheet of paper, or baking paper is what I used, and write the child's name underneath the earth. Whilst those are drying, we can write our message to go on the base of our candle. I didn't have a ruler nearby, so I just marked the height of the base of my tea light, and then just roughly cut a strip of card to the width of what I've just measured. And this strip needs to be long enough to wrap around the base of your candle. So whilst you're cutting your strip, you can simply just check that it wraps around the candle, or you can cut a longer strip and just cut it a bit shorter once you've measured it against the candle. Now, in pencil first, you can write your message on your sheet of card. So this could be something like, "You light up my world," "The best person in the world," "Best person on earth," whatever you'd like to write like that. When you're happy with your message, you can then go over it with a black pen or a coloured felt tip pen. The next step is to glue your message around your tea light. So teachers, you'll need to do this, or supervise children do this, but this is a bit fiddly, so I suggest that adults do this. Pop these next to the children's earth or planet, whatever they did earlier, and you can wait for the earth to dry. It usually takes about 3 hours at least. So I usually leave them overnight, and then I take them home to do the next step because this is fiddly and it's much easier for adults to do. I wouldn't recommend children doing it. When the earth is dry, this is definitely the adults only step. So you want to make a hole in each ping pong ball. Use your scissors to make a hole, and then put your scissors together and go down this hole and twist your scissors to make the hole wider as you do this. You need the hole to be wide enough to allow the battery flame to sit inside the earth. So you'll see, first of all, it wasn't quite big enough, so I had to go back in and make the hole a little bit bigger. When the hole is big enough, you can use your glue gun and just seal around the base of the ping pong ball so that it can then attach to the tea light itself. And there you have it, a cute little gift that you can give for Mother's Day or Father's Day. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more art lessons like this every week. and other art related content now and then. See you next week for more Art Club with Miss Burford.